Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to sow snapdragons. Snapdragons are often thought of as an old-fashioned country cottage plant, but these cheery annuals are making a keen comeback. Snapdragons are easy to grow, bursting with colour, wonderfully fragrant, and beloved by bees and other vital pollinators. Blooming from April to June and August to October, they come in a vast array of colours and various heights and can really bring a dynamic twist to your garden. Varieties. There are dozens of varieties of snapdragons, blooming in all sorts of colours. Some of my favourites are Mini Cherry Cola, Lucky Lips and Twinny Peach. Equipment. You will need a seed tray or pot, seed sowing compost, seeds, and a propagator lid. Sowing. Fill your pots or seed cells with seed compost. Spray the surface of your compost with a spray water bottle. This is because watering your seeds on top after sowing them will wash the seeds away. Then place one snapdragon seed per cell. The seeds are tiny, so I like to use tweezers or scatter them over the cells, then thin them out later. Snapdragons need light to germinate, so don't cover them. They need a temperature of around 18 degrees to germinate, so I place mine in an unheated greenhouse. You can add a propagator lid on the cooler nights. Snapdragons will grow very slowly throughout the winter months, so don't worry if not much happens. Snapdragons can handle a light frost, but you may need to add some fleece if the temperatures dip below -5. Soil. Snapdragons are not too fussy, but they do prefer moist, well-drained soil. Being short-lived plants, they aren't heavy feeders, but they will appreciate it if you add a layer of organic matter to keep them healthy. Light. If you want to get the most out of your snapdragons, then place them in full sun to partial shade. Watering. Snapdragons are thirsty plants, so make sure you provide them with adequate water. Once established, they require an inch of water a week if there has been no rain, but be sure not to overwater.